class of class 1. Which subject we are learning? Maths. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 11, Money. So take page number 143 of your book. Yes. So now money. Money means paise, rupees. Why do we need money? We need money to buy things. See, look at this picture. If this boy wants a balloon, then he should pay something. What he will pay? Money. If he wants to buy anything, then what should we pay? We need to pay money. If we are going to a shop to buy a chocolates, then that shopkeeper will give you chocolates? No, first of all you have to pay some money. If dairy milk is of 10 rupees, then you have to give 10 rupees. Yes or no? Yes. Then if you are going to buy a pencil, then if pencil is of 5 rupees, then how much money you need to give? 5 rupees. If you are going to buy a book and book is of 20 rupees, then how much money you need to give? 20 rupees. So, if we want to buy anything, then what we are paying? Money. See, money is found as currency note and coin. In India, rupees are written as like this and paise are written as P. See, we are using notes and coin both. Yes or no? Yes. 2 rupee coin is coming now. Yes. So, we are using currency notes and coins. What is the symbol of rupees? Like this way. This is the symbol of rupees. And what is the symbol of paise? Small p. This is the symbol of p. See, each currency note have their own value, and where the value will be written? Yes, it is written as number also and in word also. See, look at here. Which currency note is this? 2000 rupees. So look at here. Here 2000 is written in number and here 2000 is written in words. It's written in Hindi. 2000 rupiye. And here it is written in English. Here also see rupees 2000. Next, what is the value of this note? How many rupees? 500 rupees. Very good. Next, what is the value of this note? 100 rupees. See, whose picture is given in note? Gandhiji. Gandhiji was our national leader, father of our nation. So, whose picture is there? Gandhiji. Next, what is the value of this note? 50 rupees. Look at here. What is written? 50. And here they have written it in word. 50 rupiye. Next, which note is this? 20 rupees. Then 10 rupee note. Next is 5 rupees or rupee 5. See, we can write this in both the way. 5 rupees or symbol of rupees and then 5. Which note is this? 2 rupee note. And this one? 1 rupee note. Understood or not? Yes. Yes, students, look at this currency note. How many rupees? What is the value of this note? 100 rupees. See, here they have written in figure 100, 100. And here in word 100 rupiye. Understood? Yes. So, currency notes have their own value. See, here it's note of 2000 rupees, then here 500 rupees, 100 rupees, Understood or not? Yes. Now turn the page. Take next page. Now let us learn about the coin. Coins are used to represent rupees and paise. Look at here. What is the value of this coin? 10 rupee. How we will come to know it's 10 rupee coin? Look at here. Here it is written 10 10. 10 rupees. Next, what is the value of this coin? 5 rupees. Why? Look at here. What is written? 5 rupee 5. What is the value of this coin? 2 rupees. Very good. Value of this coin? 1 rupee. And now this is 50 paise. What is this? 50 paise. See, 50 and P for paise. See, here they have written P-A-I-S-E. Paise. Now, earlier coins of smaller values like 25 paise, 20 paise and 10 paise were also available. In past, in earlier times, we were using this type of coin. See, how many paise? 25 paise. Then 20 paise and 10 paise. Now, we are not using these coins. We are using only rupee coin. Okay? But these smaller value coins were used in past time. Okay? Yes. See, 1 rupee equal to how many paise? 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. How many paise? 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Understood? Yes. Now, let us move towards the exercise. Yes, what we have to do here? Write the values of the given coins and notes. What we have to do? We have to write the value of coin and note. Number 8. What is the value of this coin? Here they have written 10, 10. So what is the value of this coin? 10 rupees. See, here symbol of rupee is there. So write here 10. Next, what is the value of this note? 50 rupees. Very good. रुपीस का सिंबल है यहाँ पर. So 50. Take next page. Yes, number C. What is the value of coin? 50 paise. Very good. Next, what is the value of this note? 20 rupees. Understood? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Next is match the following. What you have to do? You have to match this with the given value. First of all, look at here. What is the value of this note? Rupees 2000. So here where rupees 2000 is written? At number C. So let us match it. Next, what is the value of this coin? Rupees 5. Very good. Where it is written? At F. Match it. Then rupees 2. Look at here. What is the value of this note? 500 rupees. Very good. So where 500 rupees is given? At number D. So match it. What is this? 50 paise. Very good. And last one. How many rupees? 10 rupees. So let us match it with rupee 10. Now exercise 3. Count the money and write it in the box. What we have to do here? First we have to write the value and then we have to do total. Look at here, number A. How many rupees? What is the value of this note? Rupee 5. 5 rupees. And value of this note? 2 rupees. Very good. So 5 rupees plus 2 rupees. how many rupees will come? Count it. 5 plus 2, rupees 7. Very good. Next, what is the value of this note? 5 rupees, then 5 rupees, and value of this note is 1 rupee. Very good. So count it. 5 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 1 rupees. What is the total? 11 rupees. Very good. Next, number C. Now, paise. See, how many paise is there? 25 paise. So, write here 25. See, here P is written. P indicates paise. Next, which coin is this? What is the value of this coin? 50 paise. So, 25 paise plus 50 paise. What is your answer? 75 paise. Very good. Now, see, in the same way, number D and turn the page. Here, two more is there, E and F. So, number D, E and F, you have to complete it as homework. Okay? What you have to do? You have to just count the value of rupees for a note and then you have to write it. Understood? Yes. So here chapter number 11 money is completed. Let us meet in our next class with a new chapter. Bye students. Take care.